Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that in yesterday's class we have done food around India, and with that page we have completed our unit 8. So today we are going to start our unit 9, which is actually related to different quizzes. The pages which we have done already, related to that only we will take quiz questions in this unit 9. So today we will start with first quiz, that is quiz yourself. So in that quiz yourself, which is given on page number 32 in your book, page number 32, quiz yourself 1. Page number 32, that is quiz yourself, that is 1. See, what do you mean by this quiz yourself? Means here we are going to get questions related to all those pages which we have already done in a previous unit till unit 8. So here what we will do exactly, that we will see questions, and related to that questions we are going to revise the quick facts related to those questions. Fine. So with this we have a revision of rest of the unit also, and then we have few many, and you will also judge yourself that how many answers you have given correctly and how much knowledge you have related to those chapters which we have already completed. So children, let's start with our first question. Which one of the following is a fruit? I'll repeat the question. Which of the following is a fruit? Fine. Fruit. Here you have been given with 3 words. That is leech, witch and peach. So out of these 3 words, which one is a fruit? So here what? All these 3 words, peach, witch or leech, you can say that all these 3 words are rhyming words. So peach is a fruit that you all are aware of it. So we'll encircle or we'll put a tick on peach. So peach is a fruit. What you will do it in your book, that you have been given a space in your book, and there in that blank you will write the correct answer, which is peach. Fine. Now we'll come to next. What is the color of the band at the bottom of the Indian national flag? So if we'll talk about our Indian national flag, so that is also called tricolor, having 3 colors, saffron, white and green. So in the lower bottom, what is the question, that what is the color of the band at the bottom of the Indian flag? Fine. Indian national flag, or in the bottom which color band is there? So here the answer is green. Fine. We have 3 color in our national flag, saffron, white and green. So in the bottom band we have green color, and along with that we have done which color stands for what? Fine. Like saffron stands for bravery and sacrifice, courage and sacrifice. White stands for peace and truth. Green stands for revolution, productivity and greenery, how much greenery we have. Fine. So that is green. Now third is, how many days make a week? How many days make a week? So here 7 days make a week. 7 days make a make a week. Fine. 7 days make a week. Or we can remember it like that. In 1 week we have 7 days. So let's come to our next question. One of these games is usually played by teams. Is it hockey, chess or judo? So here you have been given with 3 options. And the question is, one of these games have been played by a team. So we have options. You have hockey, chess or judo. Actually judo is playing by 2 players. Then chess is also playing by 2 person. But hockey is generally, or hockey is always played by a team. Now how many players are there in hockey team? We have 10 players. So number 4, the answer is hockey. This answer you will write down in your blank. Fine. So answer of 4th one is hockey. Hockey is played by a team which we have in which we have 10 players. Now we'll come to next. Which of the following body parts help birds to fly and keep warm? Feathers, beak or feet? Feet is used by bird to sit, to take a position. Fine. Next, beak is used to eat food or pick up any food. But for flying, birds used their feathers. So the correct answer of this 5th one is feathers. The correct answer is feather. Feathers help the bird to fly. Now come to next, number 6. What is the national flower of India? National flower of India is lotus. Lotus. Fine. Whenever we will talk about national of any country, it means that particular thing of that particular country. Like we have done just now, national flower of India. So national flower of India means the national flower of our country, that is lotus. Now come to next, number 7. Which of these is the place where important things from the past are kept? Fine. Understand the question again. Which of these is the place where important things from the past are kept? Important things from our past means the place where we kept the things from our past. Past means from our history, where we were keeping all those things related to our history so that the next generation or anyone can go and learn about it. So what is that place? Zoo, forest or museum? What is the correct answer? Zoo, forest or museum? So here the correct answer is museum. So I'll erase it, this 1 to 6 question, and then we'll start with 7. So the place where we kept the things related to our history, that is museum. That is museum. Number 7, the correct answer is museum. Museum. So now number 8, for which sport is Sachin Tendulkar famous? For which sport is Sachin Tendulkar famous? Now as you all are aware of it, that Sachin Tendulkar is a huge player of cricket. Fine, huge player of cricket. So is a huge basically by profession Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. He started playing cricket at the age of 8 and then he get entry in our Indian cricket team at the age of 16. And in our Indian team he started playing at the age of 16 only. And quite famous cricketer, we all know, and many records are there at the name of Sachin Tendulkar. So now let's come to next. Name the profession of Shah Rukh Khan. Name the profession of Shah Rukh Khan. It is wrestling, writing or acting. So the correct answer of this is acting. Correct answer of this is acting. Acting. So here the Shah Rukh Khan belongs to the correct profession, that is acting. Now, which Indian freedom fighter is also known as Bapu? They related to Bapu, I have told you so many things. Let's revise with this question, that which Indian freedom fighter is also known as Bapu? That is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Bapu. Bapu, father of the nation. Father of the nation. Now let's come to next. How many legs do most insects have? 4, 6 or 10? So almost every insects have at least 6 legs. 6 legs. Most of the insects have 6 legs. So that is very important that you will remember that most of the insects have 6 legs. Number 12, that is, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? So that also I have told you that when we have done different landforms, in that I have told you the highest mountain peak, that is Mount Everest. In the world, that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. But if we talk about India, then that is Kanchenjunga, that is K2. Mount K2, Mount Kanchenjunga. And highest mountain peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. Now come to next. Mount Everest, that you will write it E-V-E-R-E-S-T. E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Mount Everest. Now, which festival in India is also called the Festival of Lights? Now, Festival of Light is also called what? What is the other name of Festival of Light? That is Diwali. Diwali is also called Festival of Light. And which festival is called Festival of Colors? Holi. Now, Carom is an indoor game. Is it true or false? Yes, it's absolutely true. So here what we will do here we will identify what are indoor games and what are outdoor games. Indoor games which can be played inside your house, inside a room, inside a campus, then that is called indoor games. But the games which played in an open area, that is called outdoor games. So here we have done quiz yourself one. Let's revise once again. Number 1, what is that? Which of the following is a fruit? That we have done peach. Next is, what is the color of the band at the bottom of the Indian flag? That is green. Number 3, how many days make a week? 7 days make a week. Now number 4, one of these games is usually played by a team. Is it hockey? Yes, it's hockey. Rest 2 options were chess and ludo. So chess and judo, sorry. So these 2 games were not played by a team. Next is what? Which of the following body parts help birds to fly and keep warm? Feathers, beak or feet? Feathers. The correct option is feathers. Now let's come to next. What is the national flower of India? Okay, now with this national flower of India is lotus, national fruit is mango, national tree is banyan tree, national animal that is tiger, and national bird that is peacock. So you have to remember it like that. Whenever you will get a single like national animal, you will get it. You just revise all those things along with that only. So you can remember. Now for which of the following is the place where the things from the past are kept? That is museum. That we have done, museum. And to which game Sachin Tendulkar belongs to? That is cricket. Shah Rukh Khan is in which profession? That is acting. Which famous leader or freedom fighter which is also known as Bapu? That is Mahatma Gandhi. How many legs does almost every insect have? That is 6 legs. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Highest mountain peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. Come to next. Which festival in India is also called the Festival of Light? That is Diwali. Carom is an indoor game. Is it true or false? Absolutely true, because it is played inside your house or inside a room that can be played. So children, with this we have finished our quiz yourself 1. After this we are going to start our quiz yourself 2. So let's start it. So children, now we will do quiz yourself 2, which is given on page number 66 in your book. Which sport do the teams Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, Delhi Daredevils and Sunrisers Hyderabad play? Which sport does or do the teams, these different teams were played? Right now also IPL is going on, Indian Premier League. This time, earlier Indian Premier League was held in India itself, but due to this COVID, this year it was not played in India. So where does it played? That is played in UAE, United Arab Emirates. So this also you will remember that this year this IPL, Indian Premier League, which is actually which related to cricket only, and here the answer of this first one is cricket only. All these teams, Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Rider, Delhi Daredevils and Sunrisers Hyderabad, they all play cricket only. And this year, this IPL held in this year, this also you will remember, this year IPL held at UAE. And what is the full form of UAE? That is United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. So now children, will come to number 2 question. Which month comes between March and May? Which month comes between March and May? That is April. March, April and then May. Let's come to next question. In which month do we celebrate New Year's Day? So New Year's Day we celebrate in the month of January. So on which date we were celebrating? That is on 1st January. On 1st January we were celebrating New Year's Day. Now let's come to next question. In which country will you find the Taj Mahal? So that we have already done. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, and Agra is a district in Uttar Pradesh, India. So Taj Mahal is located in India. Taj Mahal is located in India. Taj Mahal is located in India. Now let's come to next question. Number 5. Which animal is sometimes also known as the king of the jungle? Which animal is also known as the king of the jungle? That is lion. That is lion. That is lion. Now come to next question. Which of these does not run on fuel? Now what is fuel? Fuel means for running any vehicle we required some fuel. Either petrol, diesel or natural gas or CNG, something we required it. So which of these, now your question number 6 is which of these does not run on a fuel? Means which vehicle does not require any fuel? So here the options are bicycle, motorcycle, aeroplane. Now as you all are aware that in motorcycle we required petrol, in aeroplane we required aeroplane fuel, but in bicycle we does not require any fuel. So correct answer of 6th one is bicycle. Correct answer of 6th one is bicycle. Number 7 now. Which of these is not a city in India? Pune, Paris, Patna. So as you all are aware that Pune is a city of Maharashtra, that I have told you earlier also, and Patna is the capital city of Bihar. So Paris, which is not in India, so that is not a capital city of India, or it's not a city of India. So here the correct answer is Paris. Number 8. On which part of the body will you find necklace? On which part of the body will you find necklace? Actually it is, what is that? That is KNUCKLES. That is a band which we were wearing in our hands. So here the correct answer is hands. In the hands we were wearing that necklace. It's not necklace, it's necklace. Now come to next. From which insect do we get honey? From which insect do we get honey? So honey we will get it from honey bee. Honey we will get it from honey bee. So now number 10. Which of these animals has a long trunk? Elephant, cat, tortoise. Which of these animal has long trunk? That is elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Elephant has a long trunk. Now we can find dinosaurs in India. Is this statement true or false? Right now also we were finding dinosaur in India. No, that is false. Earlier, million of years back we have dinosaurs on earth. And that is not like that in India only you will be getting, because at that time India was not specified. Whole earth is one only, and whatever will be there, that is this partition of land that happened later on. So the statement 11 is false. Nowadays you are not getting dinosaur on earth. How many times will you normally celebrate your birthday in a year? So only once. Fine. Once we will celebrate our birthday. Once. Only once. Only once we will celebrate our birthday in a year. Now in which direction does the sun set? So if I'll ask in which direction the sun rises, then your answer will be east. and in which direction the sun sets, that is west. That is west. Now, number 14, who among these is a professional cook? Who among these is a professional cook? Now, professional cook is called chef. Fine, it's not DJ, it's not tutor. So, here the correct answer is chef. Here the correct answer is chef. So, children, what we have done today? Today we have done quiz yourself 1 as well as quiz yourself 2. So this quiz yourself 2 we will revise once again. Those who have not written the answers, they will write it. Number 1 question, which sport do the teams Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders and Delhi Daredevils and Sunrisers Hyderabad play? So these all team related to cricket only. And these are the teams of IPL, that is Indian Premier League. Indian Premier League. Right now also IPL is going on, but due to COVID, this year IPL was not held in India. That was held in UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Now number 2, which month comes between March and May? That is April. Question number 3. In which month do we celebrate New Year's Day? So New Year's Day we will celebrate in the month of January. That is on 1st January we will celebrate New Year's Day. Now number 4, in which country will you find the Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal we found in India only. It is located in Agra, and Agra is a district in Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh? That is Lucknow. So let's come to next question. Which animal is sometime also known as the king of jungle? So which animal is also known as king of jungle? That is lion. Now let's come to next question. Which of these does not run on fuel? Bicycle. Yes, bicycle does not require any fuel to run. Rest of the thing you required fuel to run on it. Fine. Like if you have to go by aeroplane, then that airplane fuel we were putting it into either, or we will putting petrol, diesel, CNG or something in some vehicle. But bicycle does not require any fuel. So here the correct answer of 6th is bicycle. Now which of these is not a city in India? Pune, Paris, Patta. So the correct answer is Paris. Paris is not a city of India. On which part of the body will you find necklace? That is hands. From which insects do we get honey? So honey we are getting from honeybee. Next question is, which of these animal has a long trunk? Elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Now number 11, we can find dinosaurs in India. Is this statement true or false? It's false. Right now we are not getting a dinosaur anywhere in India or on the earth. How many times will you normally celebrate your birthday in a year? Once. Once we will be celebrating our birthday in a year. Number 13, in which direction does the sun set? So the sun set in west. Number 14, who among these is a professional cook? So chef is also called a professional cook. So children, what we have done today? Today we have done quiz yourself 1, quiz yourself 2, that is related to unit 9. Page number 32 and page number 66. What you will do it? You will revise all these questions, and tomorrow what we will do it? Tomorrow again we will take model test paper 1, 2 and 3, and after that we will take few of the general knowledge questions, which is related to general knowledge only, and will conclude tomorrow. those general knowledge question. Today I'll finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.